My name is Jenna McCullar, and this is my food packaging lab. Okay, so I've got a piece of paper right here and a pencil so I can sketch my different layers, and then markers to color code them. So I'm going to examine my potato chip bag. I'm really not quite sure how I'm supposed to do this. The instructions really aren't clear. So I guess there's two or three layers. I don't really know, honestly. Okay, so I've got my sketch drawn, and then I've got my bag cut. So I'm gonna hold the shiny side toward me and stick a flashlight through it. Okay, I can kind of see the words through the back of it. Okay, so I have to write the letter A. Let me grab a marker for that. Okay, so I wrote the letter, I don't know if you can see that, the letter A on this side. So let's try to see if you can see through it. Nope, can't see through the plastic on this one. Okay. Okay, so for the number of layers holding on the candy bar wrapper, I'm not really quite sure. So obviously there's the outside and the inside, and the sealing medium, which is like the glue, I guess, is what we're gonna call that. So I guess it's 3, 2. Okay, so I have my sauce packet, and I mean, you can definitely feel when you squeeze it, like where like the actual sauce is, the ketchup, and like where like the air that's in there with it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just drop this into a cup of water. And yeah, it mostly floats. I'm gonna assume that's because there's air in the package. Okay, so now I'm gonna see how much water is in my big soda bottle, and I'm gonna use my mom's big measuring cup because it holds more milliliters than my graduated cylinder. Okay, so let's figure this out. Okay, so I didn't have juice bottles at my house, but we had Gatorade bottles, so I'm just gonna use that. Let's see how many milliliters of water are in this one. Let's see, it's right at 400 milliliters for this first trial. Okay, so my water is boiling, so I'm gonna take this as carefully as I can over to the sink. Pour it on the bottles. Okay, then I'm gonna let them cool. So my bottles cool down, so I'm gonna go ahead and see how much water is in it now after the hot water's been poured on it. Okay, so I just finished the first test of the water in my melted, shriveled trunk bottle, whatever we want to call it, and it was about 1650. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other trials and get those down, and then start on the Gatorade bottle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start the Gatorade. Just get this poured in here and measure it out. Let's see. That is right at 375, so it actually did shrink a little bit. I didn't actually think it did. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the other two trials and be done with this.